In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your HubSpot marketing contacts. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your contact management skills, this guide will help you navigate effortlessly. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to start by heading over to the HubSpot homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for HubSpot, or simply searching for HubSpot in your search engine. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is log in. You'll find the login option typically at the top right corner of the homepage, a spot that's easy to find as long as you're familiar with the usual layout of a website. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage. Here's where the real fun begins. In the main navigation bar, you'll see a tab for CRM. Clicking here will take you into the heart of your contact management system, where all the key functionalities reside. Now, I want you to look for the Lists option in the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage different groups of contacts, whether you're organizing them by demographics, customer journey stage, or any other custom criteria. Lists is the place to handle it. Give that a click and get ready to build a list. To start creating a list, find and click the Create List button. Once you've clicked that, a window will pop up, prompting you for details such as the name and description for your new list. Make sure to be clear and concise with your naming. It helps keep everything organized, especially as you grow your contacts. With the basic framework of your list in place, it's time to get more detailed. You'll want to flesh out your list with contact details. This part allows you to define exactly who should be in this list based on your criteria. Fill in these details with care because this step is crucial to segmenting your contacts effectively. Once all necessary details are added, you can click Next. This will advance you to the filter settings. Adding filters is a powerful tool in HubSpot, allowing you to sort and segment your contacts to meet your specific needs. You can filter by a variety of metrics such as contact properties, recent conversions, or even specific buy signals. Make sure your filters are set to align with the objectives of your list for precise targeting. Finally, after your filters are applied, it's time to save your hard work. Click on Save List to ensure everything you've inputted is securely stored. Take a breath and relax, knowing that your HubSpot marketing contacts are now neatly organized into strategic lists that you can use to enhance your customer relationship management and marketing efforts. There you have it, a simple yet effective process to manage your HubSpot marketing contacts. With these lists, you're better equipped to tailor communications and improve overall engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other guides for more ways to optimize your marketing strategies.